So just things to keep in mind as you're going through this hobby, accruing credit cards and trying to find a way to make sure you're leveraging all of them.
And finally, organization. It's a common thing. People are worried, oh, it sounds too tough to keep track of things. My suggestion is to be organized early on, that you keep track of your approval dates, you keep track of different credits and benefits that you have on cards to avoid the archaeological dig. It's much more difficult if you're at 5, 10 credit cards to have to look back and see, oh, when did I sign up for this? Oh, what benefits are on what card? So you could keep track of things as you get the cards and stay organized early on so it's not as daunting and you don't forget about certain benefits or credits.
Yeah, I think that can be as easy as a ledger book if you're not a computer person, but a spreadsheet is quite handy for those sorts of things. Date, card, opened, credit limit, et cetera. Annual fee may be on there, sub. So also want to try to keep track of your sign up bonuses, right? How much do you have to spend and how long do you have to spend it? If you're doing that already, it's fairly easy to keep track of when you open those cards as well. So I agree being organized, especially early on and not having to try to remember what you did and how, going back through various apps to find all your credit cards is a great idea.
The situation of what happened and everything else, that's what dictates that.
Absolutely, Justin. Absolutely. Classic Terry Collins.
All right, good. So it's a lot of advice for people new to this, some intermediate and advanced users as well. So hopefully you found this to be helpful, that you're still listening. And 3 major takeaways here. Don't let the banks flag you. Spend carefully, space your applications, avoid denials, avoid adverse action. Make sure to check your options for redemptions. Don't be too in one program or be overly spread many points to take the trips you want to take. And have a plan. Be in it for the long game. Know the credits, benefits that you have, and apply for cards strategically. Share this episode with a friend before they redeem points for a toaster, because of course, America loves math. The answer to everything is more credit cards. Use the math well, get good value out of your rewards, and strategically apply for good credit cards.
I heard Walmart has a 2-liter bottle of soda with their credit card sign up. Is that something we should consider?
Oh, I've seen buckets at Costco before. You get a bucket with your credit card sign.
Yeah, Home Depot, classic bucket reward. Yep. I've been there.
It may also function as a hat, but I don't think it's good enough for us.
Those buckets are useful, all sorts of things, Justin, but they will not get you in business class across the pond. So I'm going to politely decline.
Nope, whether it's Atmos or Atmos, the bucket will not be good enough.